Put together your own inexpensive exposure light using commonly available items. You will need a cardboard box large enough to hold your contact frame and at least 12 inches tall, plus a clip-on shop light with a 12-inch reflector and a CFL daylight bulb with at least 1600 lumens of brightness. The box helps keep out external light that can affect your results. All these items are commonly available at most hardware stores. Simply place your contact frame in the box and attach your shop light to the top edge. Make sure the bottom of the reflector is approximately 12 inches from your contact frame. We posted exposure times for this design at the end of the video. Depending on your setup, exposure times can vary, so be sure to use the test pieces that came with your film to work out the best time for you. A very good alternative to the cardboard box is a 12-inch black foldable fabric bin available from the Home Depot or Amazon for around $4. The black interior helps prevent light from reflecting off the sides, effectively reducing undercutting during exposure and improving stencil quality and ease of washout. Other styles of clip-on lights will also work. However, be careful with fixtures that have small reflectors. They create a hot spot of intense light that can overexpose the center of your film and underexpose the edges. Use the box to expose the sunlight too. The top flaps are perfect for controlling exposure times, plus the box keeps out reflective sunlight. You can open and close the flaps to control exposure time, plus the box will keep out reflective light. Here are some examples of different configurations that you may want to try.